from Creative Kidstuff Maple Grove. I'd like to tell you about the Pogo jumper, which is on my list of favorites. This is the Hop and Squeak Pogo jumper that's really easy for kids to use, ages 3 and up. The bottom part is a soft foam. It has a great resistance with a little squeaker on the side, so the child can count easier while they're doing it, or they can have a sibling count, and so they can have a little contest to see how many times they can do it. Because the center part is just a bungee that you pull up on, there's nothing hard for the child to get hurt on, and so when they fall, they basically just lose their balance and then re-grip to their feet and do it over again. The thing that's nice about this is in the winter, kids need to burn off some energy as much as the summer, and so this is a perfect toy that you can bring indoors as well as out. You can find all my favorites, I'm Teresa, and everything you need for that just right gift at any one of our store locations or at creativekidstuff.com.